everybody, it is Tuesday night. We're at Amway Center in downtown Orlando. We're here to see a metal concert. More metal than metal. We're here to see Pink. Let's take a look at what merchandise they have for sale. They have a lot of artwork. I don't think anything is signed though. The shirts are about $45, $50, or that long sleeve shirt is $85. The fresh drink of the night is Pink's Hard Lemonade. These are our seats for Pink. A little bit different than Bon Jovi. You know, she flies over the audience for a good portion of the show, so I'm interested to see how it goes. What song do you want to hear Pink sing? I hope she sings that Lady Marmaduke song. I like Marmaduke, the dog. I never knew it was a dog. What'd you think about that DJ? I'll translate. He was terrible. Are you looking forward to the show now?
have a hug. Absolutely. Do you see that? We're not gonna talk about that. 7. That just happened. How is everybody? Awesome. Well, I'm ready to have a good time tonight. Thank you for having us. Y'all ready? My best picture ever. Hi, you have pretty eyes. What, sign my little sis. Okay, I'll sign anything. Okay, 1 second, excuse me. Hi. Is that okay right there? Or is that the worst place ever?
So we're outside. The show's over. Absolutely amazing.
Incredible.
Jess is sick, so don't take her downtroddenness as a sign of the show being bad, because I could see her inside happiness was bursting out like the Grinch. Her heart grew 10 sizes that day.
3.
But yours was 10. Did you like it, Mare?
I loved it.
It was amazing.
I think she kind of ruined every concert from now on ever that I'm going to go to.
Yeah, I think the last time when we went to Lady Gaga, we said like that was the best I've ever seen. I think this topped that.
No, they didn't. They're tied.
Tied for Jess. I think this was better. I'm not sure. Maybe they are tied. We are gonna get out of here. There's part of her stage leaving in that truck. Well, we are back home from Pink. It's about 12:30 at night, so we're going to wrap it up here very quickly. That was a really amazing show. I don't know how many dates Pink has left on her itinerary for 2018, but if you guys get a chance to see her, this was our first time seeing her. I can't emphasize enough how awesome that show was. I know Jess is not feeling all that great, but I looked over and she was having a great time. Mary was having a great time. Pink was one of those acts that for years we wanted to be able to go see her. And I know when you look at some of the music that we like, and I always say we have very eclectic music tastes. We've been fans of Pink. I believe we picked up her first record very early on and have picked up every record since then. And she does tell a story that we didn't record in the vlog, which was great, about her daughter feeling like she was ugly or looking like a boy, and Pink kind of showing all the differences of people, and you know, being able to blaze a trail or to accept others and make other, you know, display yourself to others to make them accept you. And it's really, that kind of rings very true. I'm glad that there's so many acts out there today and people that push that people are not all the same, and it's okay to be different. It's okay and very important to be accepting of all different nationalities, religions, races, sexual orientations, things like that. And you know, I really think it's great that there are these acts today that some people can look up to and see that and feel accepted instead of feeling persecuted or being singled out. That's one thing that rang out in the Lady Gaga show, and I know that Jess is a huge fan of the fact of people speaking up for individuality and being able to be accepted by the masses, no matter you know, what your background is. So I really enjoy sharing those types of moments with Jess, as well as Mary. So I'm just happy for that message. But you know, most importantly, the music. Amazing band playing everything live. It wasn't somebody up there with an iPad or you know, a MacBook just DJing and lip syncing and all kinds of good stuff. They were background singers. They had an amazing tight band, dancers, everything. It was just phenomenal. I loved it. So thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes and your comments and your subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great night. We'll see you guys.